I rise in strong support of H.R. 8404, the Respect for Marriage Act. Like many Americans, I was deeply disturbed by Justice Thomas's extreme opinion in Dobbs versus Jackson, which actually named marriage equality as the next piece of settled case law that he is intent on destroying. Let's face it, marriage equality is at risk in America, and we must pass legislation to enshrine the right to marry the same sex and interracial couples before it's too late. Early in my career, when I was a state representative, I supported legislation to ban discrimination based on sexual orientation. I remember discussing this bill with my late father, who grew up during the civil rights movement. He was no activist, but he firmly believed that all Americans should be entitled to equal civil rights. Just like the Jim Crow laws which legalized discrimination existed during his lifetime, he believed that our nation's discriminatory treatment of LGBTQ Americans would mark a shameful chapter in our nation's history. When the Supreme Court legalized marriage equality, we turned a page granting equal protection under the law for all Americans, no matter who they love. But now I fear that future is no longer guaranteed. I urge my colleagues on both sides of the aisle to support this bill so that marriage equality remains the law of the land. I yield back.